Hi sis, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Ijeoma Florence. You're highly welcome to my channel. For all my subscribers, both old and new, I heart you guys so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to make this hair bundle using attachment, that's braid extension, from start to finish. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, like, comment and share. Guys, one thing about subscribing, liking and all that is that that's the only way you can encourage that person to keep the good work going. And also that's the only way the YouTube we know that the content the person is creating is a nice one, so consider subscribing. Yes sis, let's get into the video. The materials you're gonna use is your table or your shear, then your thread or your yarn, that is wool, then braid extension. All these are the materials for this project. So sis, after getting your materials ready, the next thing is to start the work. Now the procedure here is that you're gonna take a little quantity of hair extension, then you fold it into two equal parts. After folding it into two equal parts, you make a loop, then you pass behind the rope you tie on the shear, then you now pass the hair extension through that rope you made, okay? Then you pour the hair as if you are doing crocheting. Just watch it again as I'm trying to repeat the process. Take a little quantity of hair extension, fold into two equal parts, make a loop. Now I'm passing behind the rope I tied on the shear, then I'll now pass the hair through that loop I made, then I'll pour the hair. Let me repeat it again. I'm not taking a little quantity, that's a little I took. Now I'm folding into two. Here is the rope I made, then I'll pass behind the rope, then bring the hair extension through that rope I made, then I'll pour. Yes, see, this is how you will continue repeating the process until you get to the very end, okay? Continue repeating the process. You pick a little quantity of hair, you fold into two equal parts, then you pass behind the rope, then pass your hair extension through the rope you made, okay? That's how you continue doing it until you get the actual size that you want. The video is self-explanatory. Continue watching. Enjoy the video. Yeah, sweetheart, this is exactly how your work should look like. Okay? Yeah, sweetheart, the next thing we need to do now is to create our coils. How do we do that? Take a little portion of hair, then detangle it with comb. Then you divide it into three equal parts, as you can see me doing now. Then after dividing it into three, you bring the three portions together and start making a box braid. If you understand what I mean, start making a box braid. You braid it through down all the way, okay? That's how we are going to create our coils, okay? Yeah, sweetheart, as you can see from the video, I'm done braiding. So when you are done braiding the hair, the next thing you need to do is to boil a water. Make sure that the water boiled very well. Then pour inside a plastic cup or a plastic plate, okay? Then put the hair inside the water. Allow it to sit for like a minute before you now remove it from the hot water, okay? Then after removing it from the hot water, use your towel to, yeah, as you can see me doing now, use your towel now to dry the water off and allow it to dry properly before losing it. Allow to dry. Sweetheart, after the hair must have dried, the next thing you need to do is to use your scissors to cut off the tip. Then you now start to lose the hair. As you can see from the video, I'm losing the hair, and as I'm doing it, I'm taking my time not to scatter the coils, okay? So that's exactly how you're gonna lose the hair. After losing the hair, you will now separate it from each other. Separate the hair from each other so that we have our tiny coils, okay? At this junction, I will allow you guys to watch things yourself because this video is self-explanatory. Watch the rest of the video and do well to subscribe to my channel, okay sis?
Look around us now, see the love on each face. Out there in the world, hard to find. All these faithful friends with the love they all show. Glad to leave that old world behind. Love never fails, that's promised. It always will endure. Love, unfailing love, that's what Jehovah gives. That's what He is. Love, unfailing love, that's what we need to live. And the love here today, in our heart may it stay. Unfailing love. Though sometimes it seems like the cares of this life weigh us down and feel hard to bear. Giving brings us joy when we share faith and hope, comforted by God's loving care. Love will
Yeah, sweetheart, here is the final look of our work. Yeah, the final look at it. I'm so happy for the outcome. I'm so happy. I'm so excited for the outcome. Sis, are you gonna try it? If you're gonna try it, let me all know in the comment section, okay? Please do well to give the video a big thumbs up, like the video, comment, share with family and friends, because you can never tell who might find it helpful. And also do well to hit the red button, subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, bye.